Hey everybody, Mike here with Cactus Crawlers RC. Thanks for coming by and checking out the channel today. Well, I'm back again with the UTB18, and this time we're getting back to the discussion of tires. So I had replaced the stock tires with these Class 1 JConcepts on the stamped steel wheels, and I figured that they looked really good and that they were going to perform well, and it's true that they did. But after this last outing that I went and I met up with a bunch of other UTB18 drivers, I noticed that some of them were running Class 0 tires. So if you don't know what Class 0 is, it's an unofficial class of competition crawler where you're using a hard body vehicle with functioning doors or hood or tailgate, and also you're going to be running smaller tires. So looking into it more, it looks like that the size limit on these tires is going to be 3.80 inches or 96.52 millimeters. So it is a lot smaller tire than this one. So measuring these Class 1s, it looks like just about 100 millimeters. So they are bigger than what's allowed for Class 0. So we're looking again at these stock wheels and tires that come with it, and they are measuring out at about 93 millimeters, 93, 94 millimeters. So they would fall into the realm of being a Class 0 tire, which is cool. The only thing is that these are not tires that I want to run because they're glued onto this plastic rim and there's no foam in them. However, I do have a vehicle that does meet Class 0 requirements, and that is my Trailfinder 2 from RC4WD Drive. So these are the stock wheels that come with the TF2, but I have upgraded the wheels to these stamped steel powder coated black. So measuring these guys out, they are the same as the stock UTB18 tires at about 94 millimeters. So they definitely fit into the category of Class 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swap out the wheels and tires from the ones I have on the UTB18 for these ones, and I haven't cleaned up these tires since the last time I took the TF2 out. So I'll get these tires off, clean them up, we'll put them on the UTB18, and we'll see how they look. Alright guys, there we go. I've got the RC4WD Drive wheels and tires installed on the UTB, and they are Class 0 size, and I like them. I think they look a lot better. So once again, the main difference between these RC4WD Drive wheels and tires and the stock UTB ones is these are beadlock wheels, so I could change out the tires to something else if I plan on getting some different tires. These are glued on, so you can't do anything with that. You're stuck with these tires. These do have internal foams in them, so they should support weight a whole lot better. These have no foam. So I've tried out these tires on the TF2, and they do okay, but like I said, once again, if I wanted to go with some different tires, there's actually a lot of different brands that I could get in a 155 size wheel and Class 0 outer diameter. So there are options for this setup. So there you go, guys. I do like it. I like it a whole lot better with these Class 0 size wheels and tires. Alright, I'm dying to get it out and try it out on the rocks. And just in case you were curious on how the TF2 looks with the other wheels, not too bad, right? So that looks like it's going to be a fun one to run out there and see how it performs too. All right. Well, everybody, there you go. Quick little video on a wheel and tire setup change for the UTB18. Hey, everybody. Thanks for checking out this episode of Cactus Crawlers RC. Come back again next time. We'll get some running footage of the UTB18 with these wheels and tires from RC4 Wheel Drive, and we'll see you all then.